how I have made over 4,100 US dollars in 3 days with CPA affiliate marketing. Now, I'm promoting different products also on ClickBank. So if you know about ClickBank, there are many weight loss products, Nutra, dating products, manifestation product, and so on and so forth. But in this video, I want to give you exactly step by step what it takes to generate results as a beginner in 2025, no matter where in the world you are from. Okay, let's go straight into it. You can see over here 778 clicks, 13 sales, 13 actions or sales or conversions, whatever you want to call it, and over 3,861 euros, as you can see over here on my screen right now live. Now, why I'm showing this is to show exactly what kind of results are possible if you are someone who is a beginner and want to become really great at affiliate marketing, meaning working 20 to 30 minutes per day without having to quit your 9 to 5. I'm not saying you have to quit your 9 to 5. You can do besides your job, whatever you're doing right now, if you have at least 30 minutes to maximum 1 hour a day. Okay, let's go straight into it. As you can see, why most of the affiliates are struggling. Okay, if you're a beginner watching this, maybe you bought some courses on ClickBank marketing, right? ClickBank affiliate marketing, YouTube ads, TikTok, Facebook ads, and you have failed. You lost money on course, you lost money on ads, and now you're scared to try again. And I understand how it feels, but let's have a look why it feels scary right now for you. Because you see, you're doing everything wrong, and it's not your fault. Again, it's not your fault. Why? Because you see, you have bought a course, you followed the step-by-step method, and it didn't work out. And most likely, my friend, is because it's outdated methods. What do I mean by that? It means it used to work a few years ago, 2 years ago, a year ago, and now algorithm, AI, and everything is changing the things. Platforms like Google, Facebook, TikTok, it's coming, right? Viral videos, viral posts coming up. So yes, it's still possible to make a lot of money, make sustainable income. I'm talking about $350 to $600 per day or more in net profits, okay? As a beginner, of course. You can see most of the beginners make this mistake. They buy a course and think, okay, oh, they show me to do something like this, which is catching up curiosity clicks, meaning people who are curious to know what is on the landing page, on a blog or a website. They click on it and nothing happens. They don't buy. They don't swipe their credit card. Why? Why? You run ads, you say, heck, no one buy. And it's not your fault. The reason is because you are targeting the wrong audiences. Okay? And you're not targeting buyers' intent audiences, buyers' clicks. As you saw before, 700 clicks and 13 sales. And each sales is worth more than 300 US dollars with all the upsells. Let me show you why. Look with Google pay-per-click ads, why it works. Social media ads, Facebook and TikTok are very different than Google pay-per-click ads, Google text ads. Why? Because people are already, or prospects that we are promoting to, that we are marketing to, we have the right message to the market match, and they're already in the solution seeking space, meaning they're already looking for a solution. They know they have a problem and they need a solution, specific solutions to their pains and problems that they're dealing with. So that's why, my friend, you don't need a lot of clicks. You just need the buyer's clicks. Buyer's clicks, sending traffics to your affiliate link. Now, when I'm wrong, if you're following someone else and you're not getting results, it's because there is no strategy and you burn out your budget, of course, right? Now, I know you don't know how to make 5,000 or even 10,000 US dollars per month yet, up until now, because you never done it before, so it's normal. But let me ask you, if you did know how to make it, do you think you could do it? Working 20 to 30 minutes per day, besides your job, right? You can see we tried with Facebook ads, 21,800 US dollars we spent, and purchase was 5 times more, meaning almost made $100,000 from spending 21,000 US dollars on Facebook ads. Okay, now you can see that those are the results, right? All this is doable because nothing is hard, only it feels hard. Sometimes something just feels hard because you never done it before, you don't know how to do it correctly yet. But once you have someone who can help you over the Zoom call, one-on-one, step by step, send you the affiliate campaigns to your affiliate link on ClickBank or on any other CPA affiliate network, yes, my friend, then you are going to be able to generate similar results. Such to install this method in 2025 and duplicate, and it will honestly allow you to start having these kind of results. You can see this is why my students, my clients are getting really great results, because we teach them, we show them, it's done for you, done for them, exact mechanisms and proven strategies in 2025. Now you can see over here what we get done together over the Zoom call with my client, with my student, right? From Spain, no prior experience. As a beginner, making over $35,000 in her first 3 weeks. Okay, so all it's doable, all it's possible, but step by step, of course, right? So you can have sustainable income, not just one day $1,000 and next day $10. No, I want sustainable. Better having $300 or $400 a day, but every single day, than $2,000 US dollars in one day, but then $0 next days. Do you get me? Do you understand what I mean, right? Sustainable, profitable days. Now, this is how it works. You see, maybe you spend 35 US dollars, you get one sale for $216. Someone buy entire funnel, meaning front end sale and back end sale, making $180 with one sale profit, which isn't really bad, right? It's really good. You can see simple, scalable, and proven affiliate campaigns. That's doable in 2025 as a beginner, as you watch this video right now. No matter where you live, India, Pakistan, Dubai, US, Canada, Australia, wherever you are, Europe, doesn't matter, okay? You can see now we have decision time. Now it's decision time. Yes, you can keep trying alone. You can watch other YouTube videos for free. You can procrastinate. You can make excuses why your family cannot afford your dream vacation, that's to Bali, I don't know, or Hawaii, or wherever you want to go. You can lose more money and time, or you can say enough, it's enough. It's 2025. I love myself. I deserve more in my life, and I will follow a proven system, follow a mentor, someone who can help me one-on-one, step by step, right? And give me the clarity and certainty that certainly we can achieve and grow more together in 2025. Now again, thank you for watching this video, right? You can see some of the ClickBank results we had as well from some of my students. You can reach out to me later on my Instagram. I also have my WhatsApp, okay? So I'm always sharing when I'm traveling to over now 69 countries. So I have to update this. 69 countries thanks to online marketing, internet marketing, affiliate marketing. Okay, you can see over here Australia, Japan, Scandinavia, first class tickets. All this is doable. This life is possible as well for you if you take action and actually do something for yourself, because we both know you deserve more. Now again, thank you for watching.